Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Writesonic and more so give you a tutorial about quickly creating a blog or article. And before we get started, if you would like to follow along with me, Writesonic does come with a free trial and free credits. I'll put a link down below in case you'd like to check that out. So when we're in the main dashboard here, what I'm going to do is click on the articles and blogs, which I've already done, then click on AI Writer and Blog Writer. So as it says, write a 1,000 plus word blog/article in seconds using our AI article writer or use our writing assistant to write other form of long form content. For this, I'm going to click on AI article writer 3.0. It says create unique, original, full length articles that are both engaging and coherent. Let's see what we got. So overall, it's going to be pretty simple. There's going to be steps. We're going to need to follow them, enter in a little bit of information, and then of course choose what we want based upon the information that it gives us. So to give me an example, I'll come up with a topic and then we'll talk about that and continue on. And of course, in case you've never seen any of my other videos, I used to be a very avid golfer, just haven't played much lately. So I'm usually talking about golf if it's not online business. So for the topic, I'm going to do golf swing tips. It says the topic that would like to write a blog about. We got that down. So let's click on generate ideas. All right, so now that we've created some ideas, we want to pick from the best one here that we can dive deeper into when it comes to creating the article. So 6 tips for golf swing improvement that will help you score better. That one's pretty good. 3 simple golf swing tips for beginners. 4 tips to improve your golf swing. How to build your golf swing. The basics for beginners. I like that. That one's actually very good. Cool. Now we have intros. And given the fact that we just picked our title, it's automatically going to appear right there. So now what we have to do is click another button. Let's click on generate intros. So I'm not going to go through all of them. If I find one I like, we'll go with it. So when it comes to any sport, the fundamentals are always the most important. You might be able to wow the crowd with your flashy trick shots or impressive drives, but without a solid foundation, you won't be able to execute these skills consistently. With that in mind, this article is going to focus on how you can build your golf swing from the ground up. It might feel like there are an infinite number of ways to swing a golf club, but in reality, there are only a few key concepts that every great swing shares. All right, I'm going to stop right there. That one's phenomenal. I agree with everything stated there. Like you can focus on the flashy trick shots and impressive drives, but fundamentals are super important. I'm just going to scroll down so you can kind of see what we got down there. But this one's great. I'm going to click on that. And automatically, look at that. We already have our article intro. It's already just pretty much automatically pasted in there. Now we're going to use that to generate our outline. Now keep in mind, the only thing we've done so far is created a topic. And from there, it's done everything else when it comes to the ideas, the intros, and now we're going with the outline. Let's click on generate outlines. All right, perfect. So this one is going to be about grip, backswing, downswing, importance of rhythm and tempo, rotating your shoulders, lead arm extension, summary, not bad. What is a good golf swing, stance and posture, backswing, downswing. I actually like this one. It's broken up very nice. Click on that. Okay, so we have our article intro, we have our article outline, and we can actually change this around or move this around. I actually picked that specific outline because it goes in good order. First, it talks about like what makes a golf swing good. Then stance and posture, like that's the first thing you're going to want to know before you even grip the club. Then, of course, you move on the grip. Backswing obviously comes before the downswing. And of course, final words. You could probably add like following through with your golf club. But overall, that's very good. I like that. Now what we want to do is actually generate that article. So if we scroll down, we're going to click on write an article and we are high rolling today. This is going to be 6 credits, but it's certainly going to be worth it. Given the fact we have like the whole skeleton for our article or blog, let's click on write an article and see what we get. All right, so here's the article that we got, and I chose to edit it in their specific writer or freeform writer that they have. It's kind of like similar to Google Docs. But this is what it came up with. And as you notice, it's cool. They have an image here. It says image source. So this is very familiar. We're familiar with the intro and so on and so forth. What is a good golf swing? Okay, then we have stance and posture. And then we have grip, club face, and shaft, backswing motion, downswing, and final words. Now you'll see this was 1,084 words. This was extremely fast. I would say probably the longest aspect of that is going to be when you click on generate article, which takes 6 tokens. There's probably like a 15 to 20 second wait for it to generate that, but you can really quickly create an article or a blog here. Let's take a look at some of the content. I'm going to read this here. What is a good golf swing? By its very nature, golf is a sport that is extremely difficult to define or measure objectively. For example, what is the proper yardage for a par 3? It depends on many factors such as the course you're playing, the weather conditions, and even the type of golfer you are. That said, there are a few key indicators that you can tell whether or not your swing is progressing towards the ideal swing. First, you want to make sure that you can maintain good posture throughout your swing. This includes keeping your spine straight, your knees bent, and your shoulders rotated forward. You also want to watch your swing's tempo. Ideally, your backswing should be slower than your downswing and vice versa. This allows you to properly load your core muscles and transfer the energy smoothly from one phase of your swing to the next. So what I love about this quality is great. You'll notice that it flows nicely. It doesn't look like it was a spun article. You can even write more and add more as it talks about right here where it comes to 0.5 using that. Moving on, the first step towards building a great golf swing is to get the proper stance. While this may feel counterintuitive, the right stance will actually help you find a balanced position. Talks about common mistakes. Overall, this is really high quality. This is great. And the fact that it created it so quickly is something that I really like about this. But I mean, that's kind of like a quick tutorial and demo just to show you how you can quickly create an article or blog post, whatever it's going to be, using Writesonic. Once again, I'll put a link down below in case you'd like to test that out for yourself. They have a free trial and it comes with free credits, so you can see how it works for your specific niche or business that you're going to be in. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed this and got some value out of it. I'll see you in my next video.